Hi everyone, if you are new to my channel, I'm Julia, and if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be sharing more videos on acne. And in today's video, I'm gonna share my favorite tips on getting rid of blemishes, and I'm gonna also share my secret on how I stopped picking pimples. Yeah, that's a big one. So I'm gonna share a few products which really helped me, and this is not a sponsored video. These are the products which I actually use and I can definitely recommend. Some of these products I've been buying them for years. For example, this is like my fourth or fifth package of the zinc cream, and it's so great that I just keep buying it. And my puppy just moved my tripod, so hello. He put his head on my tripod. I don't know how is this comfortable, but he thinks it is. So I've been dealing with acne since I was 10 years old, so it's been over 15 years. It started with teenage acne, then I got hormonal acne, which was actually really hard to get rid of. What helped me the most was diet and lifestyle change. These were like the two most important things that helped me get rid of my hormonal acne. And sometimes I still get pimples because, you know, sometimes I eat sugar, sometimes I, eat processed food, because why not, right? So whenever I get a pimple, first thing I do, I make sure not to pop it, because that is the worst thing you can do. Unfortunately, whenever I see a pimple, I'm like, oh, I gotta pick it, because, it's painful, it's itchy, and I just want to get rid of it. But every time I do it, it comes back, and it comes back bigger, more painful, and it's just not a good idea. So what I do, whenever I get a pimple, I apply this zinc cream on it. This helps to dry out the pimple, and it also helps to heal it faster. This is like my go-to treatment for any pimples, any acne. This works great. It's amazing. It's a zinc cream by Margaret, and it has also sulfur here. So, I mean, this is like a miracle for any blemishes, any pimples, and it also costs only $8, so it's super cheap. So after I apply this cream, it takes around 1 day, 2 days, depends how big the pimple is. If the pimple is really big and very red, I also like to apply these patches. They are called dream dots. You basically stick to your skin wherever the pimple or inflammation is, and it helps to cover the pimple, and it also protects the skin from touching this area, and it definitely heals the pimple out faster. It covers the redness, it covers the pimple. This you can use at night, this you can use in the daytime. If you plan to apply makeup, you can use it. If you don't plan to apply makeup, you can also use it. So it's very versatile, and it really works. I definitely see, after I take this sticker off my face, my skin, I definitely see that the pimple is a lot less red and a lot smaller. So this is really great. And if you really want to get rid of pimple fast, just apply a little bit of this cream before you apply this sticker, and I guarantee you that you're gonna get rid of the pimple super fast. You probably heard about niacinamide serum from The Ordinary, or for example Curology, which is this famous acne treatment. It also contains niacinamide as one of the main ingredients. That's like the most powerful ingredient for acne. It works magically. I don't think I ever had any product, any cream, any serum that works so well on acne, and this is it. I've tried the Ordinary niacinamide serum, and it also worked great. What I didn't like about the Ordinary serum was that sometimes if you would put too much of it, it would start rolling, and I felt like it wasn't really soaking in so well. So I do prefer this one, which is by Insta Natural, and it it's also a little bit cheaper because you get 60 milliliters and it costs around $14. Wait, so it's not cheaper because I think the ordinary serum is like $7. Okay, so it's like basically the same price, but this one you can buy anywhere online, and the ordinary it's very hard to get and it's usually sold out. So if you're looking for the niacinamide serum, then I'd highly recommend this one because a part of niacinamide and zinc, it also has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, avocado oil, and rosemary extract. That also works great for acne and inflammation, and it definitely moisturizes skin a lot better than the ordinary niacinamide serum. So this one is just better, and this works better for me. So yeah, I'm gonna link all the products down below. And also what I do 2 times a week is the ordinary peeling solution, and I apply it 2 times a week, and it's really great. Whenever I have oily skin, or I feel like my skin is breaking out or it's very red, I love to apply this peeling solution because every time I apply it, every time I wash it off, my skin is just so much calmer and it feels so fresh and clean. And it definitely, I noticed that it produces a lot less sebum after this treatment if I do it at least 2 times a week regularly, because it's very important. You can't just use it once a month and expect results. You have to use it regularly, and I mean, I love the results. If you haven't tried it yet, I actually recorded a separate review for this product, so I'm gonna link it down below. But it's a truly great product and also has a very good price. I think it was like around $5. Definitely less than $10, so it's super cheap. This you can wash off with just water, which is amazing because if you're new to acids, this would be a great product because it's not so intense like other harsher acids and other peeling solutions. This one is pretty mild, but it still gives you great results. And I've also noticed that it brightens up any blemishes, so if you use it regularly, you don't need to use like a separate peeling or scrub, because this will work very well. It's just not so intense like with other super harsh peeling solutions. After the treatment you start to peel like crazy. You're not gonna get results with this like that, which is great. If you use it regularly, your skin will look a lot better and healthier. After this treatment, I like to apply aloe vera gel, which helps to calm the skin down, lower the inflammation, lower the redness. It's really great for acne. I can highly recommend this one, which is Mill Creek Botanicals. It's super cheap, around $4 for this big bottle, and it's really great. The only thing, I always apply some kind of a moisturizing cream or serum after applying this one because it's not really moisturizing. So I like to apply this Michelle Ultra Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum. It's really light, it's non-comedogenic, and it smells really good too. I really like it, it's great. You don't really feel it on your face, but it still gives you nice moisturizing, so I really like this one. I also like to spray my face with this witch hazel aloe vera facial mist. Lowers the inflammation. Witch hazel is known for that, so I can also highly recommend this. These are my top products when it comes to acne, dealing with pimples, any blemishes, any discoloration. I always go back to these products and I can highly recommend them. So if you have any questions, then please leave them down below in the comment section and let me know if you tried any of these products and if you like them, or maybe you have some other products to recommend. Yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.